if I was you, to make it easier to put it back on, I'd get the same size bolts, nuts or whatever to go on the back.
Just got to clean that up. Alright, okay, I'm cooking energy.
I think this will snap off mine. You can see in there. That brassy bit. It's going to be a cunt to get off because it's spinning, but it's not coming off. Alright. Once we get that spoiler off, I'll give them.
Squat and drop Elliot.
No, that one's like a tenner.
Alright, so we had rusted screws and this is fucked. But we finally got the rear bumper off. How was that, mate? And
I thought Gary to tell you to go back to fucking wherever you got that sander and be like, fucking the glue came off, eh?
what's the?
So you figured out that edge now.
Yeah.
And you can also do this one.
Yeah, okay. Sick. See how it should be like that? And then this here is just like 3 layers thick. You get this off. Oh yeah.
Wait, twist.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's super cool that way.
Fuck, I don't have a spoiler anymore. Look at that! It's not even a fucking bolt, mate. It's
fucking rust.
It's fucking
gone.
Alright, check this out. Coming back to do some damage. Do you want to have a go?
Do I want to have a go?
Yeah, mate. You like sanding, don't you?
Thing on it. Don't even have one on it, mate.
It did. When it gets warm, it like melts the fluff. What's that? It's nearly done.
Yeah, the level of fucking dust is a different level, isn't it?
Yeah. So it turns out that I gotta rip the side trim. I gotta take that off to take the roof rack off, which is completely utter bollocks. 1, 2, 3. Fuck me. We missed this one. Jackson sucks dick. Got a fresh cut. Yeah, I'm just waiting on the bus now. Fucking, my car's been in the garage for the last 2 days, on and off. So yeah, just at work. Yeah, gonna go get the kiddo. But yeah, just been fucking taking a few days chilling. Smashed a bit of GTA 3. I'm after all the achievements. But yeah, I'm just chilling here. I better look like an Eshe. Oh, fresh bar. So yeah, just waiting on the M44. So, been a while, but yeah, finishing up on the Subi. Got some zip ties, so I can zip tie the bloody front again. Anyway, got Jackson here today helping us. So yeah, we've done all that. Gonna do them. Finish the roof. That's nearly done. It started rusting a little bit. Yeah.
There's like bubbles and shit that came along it.
Ripping my shorts.
Huh?
Don't worry about going down to that. Just get rid of the clear coat, I guess.
No, that's what you've done. That's what I've done.